they know I can take their debt and make money from debt. The average person will take debt and lose money.
Welcome to Financial Intellect, the place where finance becomes your best friend. Are you ready to embark on a journey to wealth and financial wisdom? Well, buckle up because we're about to uncover the #1 wealth killer that's been lurking in the shadows. And trust me, it's not what you expect. This video will not only reveal this hidden obstacle, but also provide you with actionable tips from financial guru Robert Kiyosaki. Get ready for a mind-blowing exploration that could revolutionize your approach to building wealth. Let's dive right in. The hidden wealth killers in your daily life. Did you know that the seemingly small habits in your life could be sabotaging your financial goals? Let's start by addressing some common wealth killers that you might be overlooking. Food wastage is a silent budget drainer that many of us overlook. Surprisingly, about 30% to 40% of food ends up as waste. This not only has environmental repercussions, but also means a substantial chunk of our grocery budgets is essentially being thrown away. To mitigate this, effective meal planning becomes crucial. By planning your meals, you can buy only what you need, reducing the likelihood of purchasing excess food that ends up in the trash. Additionally, proper storage of food plays a vital role. Learning how to store different types of food correctly can significantly extend their shelf life, preventing spoilage and waste. These simple yet effective strategies can lead to substantial savings over time, ensuring that your hard-earned money is not wasted on unconsumed food. Energy usage, while essential, can be an invisible money eater if not managed wisely. Energy bills are among the top 3 household expenses, yet many people don't realize that they can save a significant amount of money by being on the right energy plan and using energy efficiently. Simple actions such as turning off appliances when not in use, using energy-efficient light bulbs, and investing in smart meters can drastically reduce energy consumption. A smart meter, for instance, provides real-time information about energy usage, helping you identify and cut back on unnecessary energy consumption. These measures not only reduce your energy bills, but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. The era of subscription services has brought convenience to our fingertips, but it has also introduced a sneaky expense multiplier into our lives. From streaming services to monthly grooming product deliveries, these subscriptions can quickly accumulate and become a substantial monthly expense. It's essential to regularly evaluate your subscriptions and decide which ones are truly necessary. Are there services that you rarely use or could do without? Cutting these out can free up a significant amount of your budget. Another effective strategy is to share subscriptions with friends or family members, which can halve or even quarter your monthly costs without sacrificing access to the services you enjoy. Lastly, car expenses represent a significant financial burden that is often underestimated. While owning a car offers convenience and flexibility, the financial implications can be considerable. Costs associated with a car include loan payments, insurance, maintenance, and fuel, all of which can add up to a substantial sum each month. It's crucial to assess whether the benefits of owning a car outweigh its financial impact. In some cases, alternative transportation methods like public transport, carpooling, or even biking can offer significant savings without sacrificing too much convenience. For those who need a car, considering options like fuel-efficient models or used vehicles can also help in managing these expenses more effectively. The ultimate wealth killer: debt. Now let's confront the formidable challenge that many of us face but often hesitate to discuss openly: debt. This financial burden is not just a personal issue, it's a widespread concern. The average American adult is saddled with approximately $96,400 in debt. This staggering figure encompasses various forms of debt, including credit cards, car loans, student loans, and mortgages. Each of these types of debt carries its own set of challenges and implications. Credit card debt, for example, is particularly insidious due to its high interest rates. It's alarmingly easy to fall into the trap of making minimum payments, which barely cover the interest, let alone the principal amount. This can lead to a perpetual cycle of debt that's difficult to escape. Car loans and student loans, while often considered necessary, can also contribute significantly to one's financial burden. Car loans can tie you to a depreciating asset, while the rising cost of education has led to ballooning student loan debts, often delaying other financial goals like homeownership or investment. Mortgage debt, typically the largest debt most people will take on, is often viewed more favorably. This is because it's tied to a potentially appreciating asset, your home. However, the key to managing mortgage debt effectively lies in ensuring that the payments are affordable and that the property value aligns with the amount borrowed. Robert Kiyosaki, a renowned financial expert, makes an important distinction between good and bad debt. Bad debt, as exemplified by high-interest consumer loans, diminishes your wealth. It's the kind of debt that funds a lifestyle beyond your means without offering any return on investment. On the other hand, good debt can be a strategic tool for building wealth. It includes debts like those for education or a mortgage, which can increase in value or generate income over time. The essence of managing debt wisely lies in understanding this difference. Good debt, when used judiciously, can be an investment in your future, opening doors to opportunities that might otherwise be inaccessible. For instance, education loans can lead to higher earning potential, and a mortgage can result in home ownership, which can be a valuable asset. However, even good debt requires careful management. It's crucial to assess your ability to repay before taking on any debt and to have a clear plan for how the debt will contribute to your financial growth. Regularly reviewing your debts, understanding the terms and interest rates, and prioritizing repayments can help prevent debt from becoming an overwhelming obstacle. Tackling debt, your path to financial freedom. Creating and adhering to a budget is the foundation of sound financial management. It begins with a clear understanding of your income and expenses. By meticulously tracking how much money comes in and where it goes, you can identify areas where you can cut back. Allocating funds for essential expenses, savings, and debt repayment is vital. A well-planned budget ensures that you live within your means while steadily working towards financial stability. However, budgeting is just one piece of the financial puzzle. Another crucial aspect is the use of credit cards. While they offer convenience and can be a tool for building credit, credit cards can also be a trap leading to high-interest debt. It's essential to use them judiciously. Make sure to pay off the entire balance each month to avoid accumulating interest. This approach requires discipline, but it protects you from the spiral of debt that comes from unmanaged credit card usage. Regarding loans, whether they are for education, a car, or other purposes, prioritizing their repayment is key. The longer it takes to pay off a loan, the more you will end up paying in interest, making the loan more expensive over time. If you find yourself struggling to keep up with payments, it's important to communicate with your lender. Many lenders are willing to discuss repayment options that can ease your financial burden, potentially lowering your interest rates or extending your repayment period. Building a culture of savings is another fundamental aspect of financial health. Saving for significant purchases rather than relying on credit helps you avoid unnecessary debt. Begin with small, achievable savings goals and gradually increase them over time. This habit not only prepares you for large purchases, but also builds a safety net for unexpected expenses, reducing the need to rely on credit in emergencies. Lastly, if you find yourself overwhelmed by debt, it's important to acknowledge when you need professional help. A financial advisor or credit counselor can offer expert advice tailored to your unique financial situation. They can help you devise a plan to manage your debts, save effectively, and make informed financial decisions. Seeking professional guidance is a proactive step towards regaining control of your finances and setting yourself on a path to a secure financial future. Your journey to a debt-free life. Avoiding and managing debt isn't just about numbers. It's about adopting a healthier financial lifestyle. It takes discipline, planning, and a willingness to make sometimes tough choices. But the freedom and peace of mind that comes from being debt-free are well worth the effort. I invite you to share your thoughts and experiences as we wrap up. Which tip are you planning to implement in your financial journey? Let's discuss this in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this insightful exploration into wealth management and debt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more value-packed content. Remember, wealth isn't just about the money you make. It's about how you manage and use it. Watch our suggested video next for more financial wisdom, and until next time, stay savvy, everyone!